represent the long-suffering people of Zimbabwe the opportunity to take back their country from the 38 years of misrule. Which will deal with issues of corruption, government motivated violence, and genocide, rampant poverty, unacceptable levels of unemployment and underemployment, disregard of the rule of law, human rights violations, a large and costly governmental structure, among many others. The ZAPU government will work tirelessly to remove the damage done to the psyche of the nation and to the economy